Chief Executive of the Petroleum Commission has allayed fears that the coronavirus outbreak is going to derail oil and gas production in the country. According to Aboagye-Wiafe Jr., none of the companies operating in Ghana's upstream sector has been hit with a case of the pandemic. He attributed this to safety protocols being adhered to by these companies. He made this known as the Commission took delivery of some solar-powered hand-washing machines to reduce further spread of the disease.
Businesses around the world are reeling under the effects of COVID-19. While some companies have had to lay off its workers, others are cutting down on production output as a means of staying afloat. The petroleum sector is no exception, prompting fears among industry watchers that this may affect the petroleum sector and to a large extent its output. CEO of Ghana's Petroleum Commission, Aboagye-Wiafe, says measures are in place to ensure the sector is not affected.
So far, I'm able to report that the companies, you can mention the Talos, the ENIs, the Yensens, the Modex, they operate the FPSOs and what have you. No reports of COVID has come to us from there. And I think that it is because the companies have taken the issues very seriously and are following the protocols. They've gotten a lot of non-essential staff to come onshore. And so I think that the numbers, even offshore, have gone relatively low, just to ensure that COVID, does not first of all come offshore and then spread.
Is it affecting the output?
No, not in any way. For the companies that are producing oil, the reports that we have, the interactions we have with them, there's no effect on production. Production is on course.
The Commission took delivery of some solar-powered hand-washing machines to reduce further spread of the disease. He says they are putting measures in place to ensure the safety of its workers.
I think that like every other institution in the Republic, COVID-19 has affected us. But I want to say that it hasn't stopped us from working. We've followed the protocols, we've followed the directives of the President and the Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service, and other, related institutions and what they have to offer. And I must say that so far, so good. Petroleum Commission, we are rotating staff. We all kinds of, the Public Services Commission has also given certain directives which we are following. And so far, like I said, so good. There's no cause for alarm.
The solar-powered hand-washing machine with its motion sensors prevents its users from having direct contact with any of its parts. Here is a co-founder of Magnifico Solutions, manufacturers of the machine, explaining its components and how they function.
The SunSync is a solar-powered hand-washing system. It has a 250 megawatt solar panel on the roof. It has lithium batteries, 100 amps lithium batteries. It has a water pump that pumps water, 5 liters of water in a minute. The SunSync is a touchless wash-hand system with a sensor tab, whereby when you reach out close to the sensor tab, the water automatically starts coming without touching the taps. Unlike the Victoria buckets, whereby you have to touch the bucket, open it and close it, pick up the tissue, and still wipe your hands. So there's too much contact with the Victoria buckets.
Aboagye-Wiafe further called on other entities to support made in Ghana products.